Hello and thank you for joining me for this demonstration of how to factory reset a Poly handset. In this video we'll look at the process you'll need to follow in order to factory reset a Poly VVX handset. You may need to factory reset your device due to it being provisioned incorrectly to the wrong service and you do not know the admin password to access the administration settings on the phone or via the web GUI. This is quite common if you are repurposing a desk phone from a previous phone system or if you have purchased a used handset or second-hand handset. As you can see on the screen, I have a Poly VVX 450 handset which is powered on, but I need to change the provisioning server. When I attempt to use the factory default admin password, it fails. We can try this by selecting the home icon, get into the main menu, navigate into settings, then to advanced, then typing in the default factory admin passcode, press and enter. We can see this has failed, so I can't access the admin settings on the device. To factory reset your Poly device, you will need to first take note of your phone's MAC address. This can be located on the back of the phone on the white label. You are looking for the 12 alphanumeric characters which make up your phone's MAC address. Once you've noted the device's MAC address, you will need to unplug the Ethernet lead from the back of the phone to power it off. Then plug the Ethernet lead back in again to the network port to power the phone back on again. So I'm just going to power down this device. Give that a couple of seconds. Then going to power the device back on again. When the device comes back on, you'll see a welcome page and there'll be an option to press cancel as it's loading the application. I'm going to press this key here to cancel the loading screen. So I'm going to press cancel. And then when it says welcome, we're going to hold down 1, 5 and 3 at the same time until we see this screen, which is asking us to enter the password to reset settings. So the password that we're going to enter is the MAC address that you've taken note of. So I'm just going to type in the MAC address now. This is currently set to numbers. When I need to change to characters, I'm just going to press this once and you'll see it's now in caps. This isn't case sensitive, so don't worry about that. This is old style texting, so if I need an F, I'm going to press the 3-digit 3 times. When I need to go back to numbers, I'm going to select this icon or this option again till we see the numbers on the left hand side. Then back to characters. Then back to numbers. Just erase that one. Just press the arrow to the left if you need to go back one. Now back to characters. And finally back to numbers again. Once you've entered your MAC address, just press OK. And that will reset the phone's configuration and create or initiate the factory reboot. We're just going to give this a little bit of time to complete its reboot or factory reset process. A later version of the Poly firmware requires you to change the admin password from the factory default. So if you see in this screen, which in most cases you will now, what you're going to do on old password is enter 456 as the old passcode. We're then going to use this down navigation arrow to go down to new password. So it can't be the same as the old one. So in this case, I'm just going to type in 654. Go down again, 654. Then we're going to press enter. That then changes your admin password. So now, if we go to the home key to get to the main menu, scroll down to settings, scroll down to advanced, we'll type in that new admin password that we just set, 654, press enter, and we can see we can now get into the administration settings on the desk phone. In this video we've demonstrated how to factory reset a locked Poly handset. Thank you for watching this demonstration.